do it. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ivan here in Lisbon, in Portugal. So here, I'm in this beautiful place. Look, this is called Plaza de Comercial, and this is where I'm going to be starting my journey here, and I take you along with me. So if it's your first time in my channel, please press the like button, subscribe, and put some comments below. Tell me where you're watching me from. Lisbon is a beautiful place. At times it reminds me of Brazil, and then at times it's a little bit different, but you can definitely see the similarities in the way some of these buildings were built. You can definitely see that. This is Plaza de Comercial. About half an hour away from this downtown area, you have the Sanctuary of Christ the King. It's a Catholic monument that is dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus and overlooks the city of Lisbon. It's located in a neighborhood called Almeida. Look how beautiful this place is. And guys, before we even start, we got some African art already going on here. Plaza de Comercial is one of the biggest squares in Europe. This location was the residence and palace of the kings of Portugal for approximately 2 centuries, until the big earthquake of 1755, and today is only partially occupied by the government. We are on our way now to a church. We'll give you the name in a second when I get there, where the first black fraternity was created. This place reminds me of Brazil in so many ways. Same construction. It feels like, almost felt like Salvador out here. This is the heart of the city and the main shopping and banking district that stretches from the riverfront to the main avenue, Avenida de Liberdade. So guys, I'm right down here by the church where the first black fraternity was invented. It's right here, right downtown, and the name of this church is the Church of Sao Domingos. The significance of this church is that this is where African slaves were baptized when they first arrived in Portugal. This is Rosso Square, and the general consensus here is that Africans are looked down on. Here, Africans live in segregated neighborhoods in the fringe of society. So guys, they have even clothes that they sell in here. Immigrants from mostly Guinea and Ivory Coast and Senegal are working here. So you have a lot of different options here of different things that they're selling. So just like a street market, that's what you see. This is basically a piece of Africa in Lisbon. I love these balconies. Guys, this place reminds me of Salvador, Bahia, in Brazil. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. This is the elevator de Santa Justa. Contrary to the Eiffel Tower, this is actually utilized as a form of transportation from one level to the next and is utilized by tourists and locals all day long. Trying seafood here is a must-do. It's fresh and delicious, and I put it on the same line as Paris when it comes to quality. Lisbon is an amazing city with great sight, a rich history, and amazing food. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, please press the like button, kindly subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.